Hi, my name is Simona Jalapu. I am 22 years old. I live in Slatina, Romania. I am studying at the State University of Pitești, Economic Science. Um, my experience with children are refer to my brother and my nephew Adrian. I stay with him when I have times, 2 or 3 times a week. My favorite hobbies are literature, traveling, dancing, music, uh, and I want to do this to reaching my experience at my experience of life and to know new and more people. Bye bye.